Unlock the power of artificial intelligence in your pocket and discover how to use ChatGPT on your mobile device, no matter your platform. Let's first explore the most streamlined way: the official ChatGPT app for iPhone users. Head to your App Store for Android. Open your Google Play Store in the search bar. Type in ChatGPT and look for the official app by OpenAI. Once you found it, tap to download and install it like any other application. After installation, open the app. You'll likely need to sign up for a new OpenAI account or log in with your existing credentials. Follow the on-screen prompts to create your account or access your profile. Once logged in, you'll see a familiar chat interface at the bottom of the screen. You'll find a text box. This is where you'll type your questions, prompts, or requests. Simply tap into this box and start typing whatever you want to ask ChatGPT. For example, you could ask it to write me a short story about a talking cat, or explain quantum physics in simple terms. Once you've finished typing your prompt, look for the send button, often represented by a paper airplane icon. Tap it to send your message to ChatGPT. Within moments, ChatGPT will process your request and provide a detailed response directly in the chat. You can then continue the conversation by typing follow-up questions or new requests in the same text box. Now, if you prefer not to download an app or want to access it via your browser, it's just as easy. Open your preferred mobile web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Navigate to the official ChatGPT website by typing chat.openai.com into the address bar and pressing go. Similar to the app, you'll be prompted to log in or sign up. If you don't already have an OpenAI account, complete the registration or login process to access the platform. The web interface is very similar to the app. You'll find a prominent text input area where you can type your prompts, enter your questions and requests here. Just as you would in the app, then tap the send icon. ChatGPT will then generate its response directly within your browser window. You now have the full power of conversational AI at your fingertips, ready to assist you with writing, learning, brainstorming, and so much more, all from your mobile device and wherever you are.